So we're going to go and meet Jake next, and he is the automation admin for Crestview Bank, and it's his job to make sure that every automation is running smoothly and securely. So when he logs in to Automation Anywhere, we go to the Automation Command Center. Here he has a complete real-time view of every automation running across the organization. Down below, he can see agent activity. At the right, any immediate issue that needs his attention will be alerted. And we're here to see agents, Jeffrey, so let's take a deeper look. Here is the agent feed. He can see every agent that is running across the enterprise and see every person that's called on the agent. Governance at its finest. Let's take a look at the loan processing agent. Here on the left, we can see the skills that this agent was equipped with. Now, if you remember, the loan processing agent read the documents, classified them, and was able to cross-reference against the required documents list. This is a combination of two best-of-breed large language models. We have brought this together in one agent. Most importantly, at the bottom, because security is so incredibly important, Jake can see all of the sensitive customer and company data that has been masked before it goes back into the models. So all of this together gives Jake complete confidence to continue to scale AI agents across the entire enterprise. And that is it. Thank you, Jeffrey. So we saw how Crestview was able to exponentially speed up this process, get that 10x business impact, do it safely and securely. We saw so many new features here. I'm not going to go through each one, but most of them are generally available today, which means that you can go ahead and get started.